What's up everybody? Kumusta kayo? My name is Clyde, back again with another review, another unboxing of the Nike Dunk High 1985 Acid Red Box. Dive into the shoe, check muna din yung box, check natin yung mga details niya. Okay, so first off, we have the cover, the box cover. You can see you have the Nike here. Ayan ang bumasa. And that one at the right bottom part, the right hand, the bottom right hand part. You can see we have here the high quality dunk, 1985. And meron din siyang nakasulat na ito, this one, you can see it right there. Yeah, I don't know what's that. Nike sports shoes are manufactured to blah 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 and stuff. Yeah, and on the top part we have here the Nike and the swoosh branding. Bottom part of the box, we have the 1985. Here is 1985. And check natin yung official color niya. So yes, here Nike Dunk High 1985 XP. Official color is University Red, Chili Red, size 10. Yeah, I will choose size 10. There is a Nike and the swoosh branding. Yeah. Two tissues, like the clear ones. Yeah, this one. And yeah, that's it. So basically like that, right? Not much. For me, the quality of the box is better than the Air Jordan 1s. The Nike Air Jordan 1 is high. Better than those. Okay? Good quality box. Yeah. me, in my opinion. Yeah, so this is not just the typical Nike Dunk 5 boxes. This one is different for the 1985 release. Okay, so diving into the shoe, we have here at the bottom of the shoe, we have here the color red. Yes, color red, shady red something. And moving on to the midsole, we have this aged look midsole. Here we go. OG to OG, which is, and the shape also is based on the 1985 dunks. The shape is like that. Not the same as the other dunks. Moving on to the mudguard or the toe box, to the eye stays where the eyelets are located, and also at the bottom part, the back part, the heel part, the same color. We have the mixture of the red and black color. It's like a tiger and stuff, something like that. Yeah, what do you think? And in the what we call toe box and the side panel, we have here good type of leather. Yeah, overall the type of leather that they use, the material that they use is dope. And the color of this one is like the grayish, brownish color. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, and it has an extra lace, which is like no plastic bag. It's like OG. They stick to the OG concept. Yeah, and it has the huge Nike swoosh, chili red, university red color swoosh, wrapping from here to the back, the side panel of the shoes. And also they have this gray brownish tongue. See? Okay. Here you go. See there. For your information, this was released August 19, 2021, 5,000 baht SRP, and they released two colorways. This one and the black acid wash one, like this. And I choose this one because to me it's a bit dope. The colorway is dope, better than the other one. But I don't know. What do you think? What do you think of this pair? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think? And for me, this is dope, man. This is dope. So that wraps up our video today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. See you on the next one. And as always,